Hi again. Today I'm here with the unboxing of the Hermes Couvertures Nouvelles Blankets, which is an homage to horsing and other equestrian routes, where the horse would wear a different blanket for each event of the day. So let's get to it. So this blanket is fairly large. It's 150 by 200 centimeters. And as you can see, the color is brown or brune. So let me go and hopefully stand up and see if I can show you that. So you should see the horse right here in the middle. And you can see it's going to an event. It has a blanket on it. So that's kind of the story behind this pattern. It comes in a variety of different colors. Obviously, as I said, this is brown or brune. Online you can find marine, you can find, I believe, a gray as well, and there are additional colors depending on availability at your local store or potentially online as well. This blanket is 100% merino wool, and one thing that you need to be careful about is it's really hard to tell from the pictures what the material, if it's wool or cashmere, and obviously there would be a substantial cost difference of several $1,000s between wool and cashmere. So when you're shopping for Hermes blankets, definitely pay attention to the material because it can make a substantial difference in the cost. So this would be a great blanket for sitting on the couch behind me, especially for the winter season, and looking forward to getting cozy in it and using it. So in the US, as of December 2024, this blanket retails for $1,950. A cashmere blanket, for comparison, may be about $4,000 or $5,000. So that's why you want to be really careful about the material that you select. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you next time.